Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Groovy Gold Hunter. It is I, Heath. We're here to do another pay dirt review, but this time I'm going to do something different. So I thought, how can I change it up a little bit? And I thought about just doing a pay dirt review without saying anything, just classifying it, panning it, no words, no nothing, maybe a little music and editing, but other than that, there's nothing to say about this pay dirt because I've said it a billion times, and that's really going to be hard for me not to sit there and talk. We'll see how far it goes. I might say something about the pay dirt itself to get started, and then once we get to panning, we'll see how it goes. Goldbay, 3-gram bag, 3 pounds, 3 grams guaranteed. Got this for Christmas, and I've just now got to it. Let's roll the intro, and we'll figure this out as we go along. So, I've done this pay dirt. I've done a review on it at least, 5 times, 4 times, somewhere in that range. But I'm going to do something different. I think I'm just going to be quiet, do the overhead shot, everything that I normally do. But this time, I'm just going to pan. Just going to let you all not have to hear my voice and just pan it out. Obviously, at the end, I'll talk about how much I got and all that stuff and show you that and get the value. This is an experiment, so if it fails miserably, just one video. I've had a lot of bad videos, so it's not that big of a deal. So let's pan down and look at this stuff. And then I'll shut up and just do what I said I was going to do. And there it is. And that is what we're going to be panning. I love their pay dirt. I'm going to classify it with my green classifiers. Don't look like there's too many big rocks there. So yeah, I'll start with my 10 mesh, go all the way down. So start classifying. So that is my plus quarter inch, my plus 10, plus 20, plus 30, plus 40, plus 60, and all that right there is my minus 60, and I'm going to start with that since it's already in the pan, and I'm going to pan the entire thing. And that's all of the minus 60. Let's go to the plus 60. One piece. just tiny, tiny, tiny little pieces of flour gold. I left that. There is no gold in this. Last batch, and then we're done with the 30 mesh. Five pieces of gold, and there it is. And that was all that was in that 30 mesh. I have gone through a lot of it. I don't even have 1/10 of a gram yet. 20 mesh. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pieces of gold. Super easy stuff to pan. All right, second pan. Quick tap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 that round. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of gold. 6 pieces of gold. Right there. Alright guys, last one right here in the 20 mesh, and we're done with the 20. Three pieces. 3 pieces. And we are done with the 20 mesh. We are now on the 10 mesh. And there is not. I just shot a blank. Quick tap, and 4 very nice size pieces of gold. Every single one of them a picker. 2 flat ones and 2 fat round ones. All right, let's continue. one too. And this is the last pan of my 10 mesh. So 3 more right there. And that is all of my 10 mesh. Yep, this is it right here. And I don't see one in there. I would have noticed it. So let's just dump it all in there and see what happens. No more gold. Nothing but rocks in that one. And we're done. There's the gold right there. It's supposed to be 3 grams, so we'll find out when we take it upstairs and weigh it. So I will see you guys in a second up there. All right, so we're back in the room. I got the gold dried. Now it is time to look at it and weigh it and get a value. Let's look at the gold. Shine a light on it. It didn't look like as much as I thought when I was panning it, but there it is. And now let's do the all-important weigh-in. Guaranteed 3 grams. I'm going to guess 3.12. So let's see what happens here. And we're going to zero it out. And now it's time to put in this gold. 2.6. 3.083. Now let's go over to the computer and get a value. We got 3.083 grams of gold. We're going to call it 24 karat. Gold prices are at $2,049.15, $203.11. Now if we go to the percentage calculator, so 203.11, paid $232 for this bag. That was with shipping and everything. Calculate, not bad. 87.5%. It's about average with them. So pretty consistent. I've bought Goldbay at least 5 or 6 times and they're always around that 80% mark, 80 to 90%. Good return, good gold, chunky gold. Not a lot of flakes, not a lot of flour gold, hardly any flour gold. Pretty gold as usual, great pay dirt bag as usual. Love that pay dirt. Thank my wife because she got that for me for Christmas. That does it for this edition of the Groovy Gold Hunter Pay Dirt review of Goldbay again. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, the share button, notification bell. All of those buttons cost you $0 and it helps my channel. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.